Assalamu alaikum from Adorsho Islamic Cadet School in Lalmonirhat city at Haribhanga. This is our English spoken class. So let's talk to our students. Hey Rabia, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother.
MashaAllah, thank you. Now Asifa, what does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
Okay, thank you. Now Mahi, what class do you study in?
I read in class 5.
MashaAllah, thank you. Now Ramjan, can you tell me that where is the book?
On the table.
On the table, MashaAllah. Now where is the book?
Under the table.
Under the table. MashaAllah, thank you. And Sumaya, can you tell me that where is the book?
Over the table.
Over the table. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.